Small but mighty, seeds are some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, these tiny powerhouses can make a huge difference in your health. Today, we're revealing 8 powerful seeds that you should be adding to your diet right now. First up, we have chia seeds. These little wonders are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds can give you a massive dose of fiber, helping to regulate digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Next, let's talk about flax seeds. Known as one of the best plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, flax seeds are fantastic for reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Plus, they're rich in lignans, which have been linked to a lower risk of certain cancers. Then there's pumpkin seeds, often overlooked but incredibly powerful. High in magnesium, these seeds support muscle and nerve function, help maintain healthy blood pressure, and are known to improve mood and sleep quality. Let's not forget sunflower seeds. These seeds are bursting with vitamin E, an antioxidant that's crucial for skin health. They also contain selenium, which is important for thyroid function and boosting immunity. Moving on to hemp seeds, a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. This makes them perfect for anyone looking to boost their protein intake, especially vegetarians and vegans. Hemp seeds are also rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Sesame seeds are next, and they're not just for topping your bagels. Rich in calcium, these seeds support bone health and help in lowering blood pressure. Sesame seeds also contain sesamin, a compound that has been shown to protect the liver. Then we have poppy seeds. These tiny seeds are a great source of calcium and iron, making them excellent for bone health and energy production. They also contain oleic acid, which helps reduce bad cholesterol levels. Finally, quinoa seeds. Though often thought of as a grain, quinoa is technically a seed. It's one of the few plant foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Quinoa is also high in fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants, making it a true superfood. These 8 seeds might be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to your health. Start incorporating them into your meals, and watch how they can transform your well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Wellbeing World for more health tips and information. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay strong and healthy.